everyone, how are you? Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. This is Ayashi. I'm back with part 3 of fractions. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, go and watch them because it covers a lot of basics and also addition, subtraction of fractions. Okay, so for those who are new to this channel, let me give you a brief description about Swiflearn. At Swiflearn, we provide 100% live and interactive classes. In one single batch, we have a maximum of 6 students, so never more than 6 students. If you want, you can also opt for one-to-one tuitions as well. We are going to provide you with a dedicated academic mentor team who is going to track your progress and guide you throughout your journey. We cover the syllabus as per the school exam schedule and we handle custom requests as well. Coming to the key features of Swiflearn, at the end of every month, we are going to provide you with a detailed progress report and we are also going to share it with your parents. We recognize the importance of practice tests and that's why you can take unlimited practice tests at Swiflearn. On every Sunday, you can also opt for the Swiflearn Academic Test Series, which is SATs, which is the scholarship test of Swiflearn. We not only cover objective questions but subjective questions as well for school exams. So simply go to the Swiflearn website and book a free trial class today. For those who are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us, because on this channel we share a lot of knowledgeable videos based on various subjects and related to different topics, which is really going to be helpful for you. Now, coming to our learning objectives today, we will be learning about multiplication of fraction with whole numbers, multiplication of fraction with fractions, reciprocal of a fraction, division of fractions by a whole number and division of fractions by a fraction. Now, let's do a small recap. So here you have a word problem, that is Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon that they bought? So what do you need to do here? Simply addition. So 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. So in the denominator, you need to take the LCM of 5 and 4, right? LCM of 5 and 4 is going to be 20. And here what you will do, LCM divided by this first denominator multiplied by the first numerator, plus again LCM divided by the second denominator, which is this 4, multiplied by the second numerator, which is 3. So you will get the answer as 4 into 2 plus 5 into 3 by 20. That means 8 plus 15 by 20, which is nothing but 23 by 20. So here we have our answer. So that is the total length of the ribbon that both Sarita and Lalita have bought. All these things I have covered in details in the part 2. Alright, so go and watch it. Next, coming to the new topic, that is multiplication of fraction. Now, in order to multiply fractions, it is nothing but product of numerators by the product of denominators. So if you have two fractions a by b multiplied by c by d, so first we will take the numerator and perform multiplication on that. So a into c by b into d, right? That's what we need to do. Simply the product of numerator and product of denominators. Now coming to multiplication of fraction, it can be multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. That means you have suppose any fraction like 3 by 4 and you have a whole number like 3. So this is one type of multiplication. Another type of multiplication is multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. That means we are going to have two fractional numbers over here, like 5 by 2 into 3 by 4. Alright. So these are the two types of multiplications that we are going to cover. First, coming to the multiplication of a fraction by a whole number, So what you need to do here is, suppose we have 3 into 5 by 2. So you simply multiply the whole number with the numerator. That means you simply do 3 into 5 and the denominator will be same as it is, that is 2. So you are getting the answer as 3 into 5, that is 15 by 2. Alright. So to multiply a whole number with a proper and improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator as the same. Okay. Now, suppose you have a mixed fraction and whole number. So whenever you see a mixed fraction, make sure to convert the mixed fraction to the improper fraction and then follow the method that you know. So here we have a mixed fraction 2 whole 5 by 2. So how to convert it? 2 into 2 plus 5 by 2, right? Diagonally we will multiply and then we will add. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 5 is going to give us 9, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is the improper fraction. So now we have the fraction as 3 times 9 by 2. So we will take the whole number and the numerator of the fraction. That means we will do 3 times 9 divided by the denominator, that is 2. So we are getting the answer as 3 9s are 27. So 27 by 2, right? This is how we can simply do it. So multiplication is very, very simple. Now, when you have two fractional numbers and you have to multiply them, for example, 5 by 2 into 3 by 4. Simply multiply the numerators at first. That means we are doing 5 into 3 by, simply multiply the denominators. That means 2 into 4. So you are getting the answer as 15 by 8. Really, really easy, right? So we are multiplying the numerators and then we are multiplying the denominators. And that's how we are getting the product. Okay. Now, let's solve a word problem that we have over here. So what is the word problem given to us? Astha can walk 2 by 5 kilometers in an hour. How much distance will she cover in 1 by 3 hours? So at first you convert all the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So here you will get 2 into 5 plus 2 by 5, right? So you will get over here 12 by 5. In an hour she can walk. And coming to this one, if you convert it into improper fraction, you will get 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3, right? That means you are going to get 10 by 3. Okay, so our problem now, what is our problem now? In 1 hour, Astha can travel 12 by 5 kilometers. Okay, then in these many hours, that means in 10 by 3 hours, Astha can travel multiplication, right? So 12 by 5 into 10 by 3 kilometers. Now, simply do the multiplication. So what will you get? So the very first thing is you can perform cancellation over here. See, we have 5 and a 10. So 5 in the denominator, 10 in the numerator. And we know that 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10, right? So we are dividing by the same number. Therefore, we can do it. So what is the answer? That you will get 24 by 3. And what is 24 by 3? 8. Right? So 8 kilometers will be our answer. Alright. So in 1 hour she is covering these many kilometers. In 10 by 3 hours she is going to cover 8 kilometers. So here the main thing is convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions and you can get the answer easily. Okay. Coming to this one. Arun's weight is 40 kg. His sister Ravita's weight is 3/4 of Arun's weight. See. So what is Ravita's weight? Ravita's weight is nothing but 3/4 of Arun's weight. What is Arun's weight? That is given to us, right? That is 40 kg. Now you can simply do it. So 3 into 40 by 4. That's what you need to do. Okay. So 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. We are dividing both the numbers by the same number. So what are you getting the answer? 30 kg. 30 kg will be Ravita's weight. Okay, easy? Fine. Now let's move to the new topic, that is division. Okay, so what is division? Division means whenever we share an item equally, right? So whenever we are sharing some item equally, we call it as division. For example, Tim has 8 liters of juice in a jug. He has to pour the juice into cups. If each cup can hold 2 liters of juice, can you guess how many cups will he need to pour all the juice? Right? So he needs to pour the juice in the cups and each cup holds 2 liters of juice. Right? So here we need to perform division. So for division, what will you get? In total, to find out the number of glasses, right? So in total, how many liters of juice is there? 2. 8. 8 is the total liters of juice divided by each cup can hold 2. That means we are getting 4, right? So number of glasses will be 4. You can say glasses or cups. Like just imagine that maybe, the glasses are also holding like 2 liters of juice like that. Okay, so here the main thing is we are performing the division because we want to distribute this juice equally among these glasses, right? So how many glasses or how many cups we are going to need? We are going to need 4 glasses. What if we have 1 by 2 liter of juice and each cups can hold 1 by 4 liter? Then how many cups do we need? So here also we will perform division only, but in a fractional way, right? So we have 2 fractions and we are dividing it. So first we have converted the quantities into improper fractions. So you will get 3 by 2 as the total amount of juice and 1 by 4 is the capacity of each cup or each glass, right? So we need to do what? 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 4, right? That's what we need to do. Just like we did 8 divided by 4, you can also write it as 8 by 4. This one also you can write as 3 by 2 by 1 by 4, right? Similarly, we can also do this. Now, let's learn how to perform division like this. First, you have division of a whole number by a fraction. Okay, so any whole number is there and we are dividing it by a fraction. You have to understand what is the reciprocal of the fraction. Very, very important topic. In order to perform division, we should understand what is the reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal means nothing but interchanging the numerator and denominator. It is just switching the numerator, that is the top number, and the denominator, that is the bottom number. And the negative reciprocal takes the negative of that number. Now, find the reciprocal of 2 by 3. Simply switch the numerator and the denominator. Numerator is 2, denominator is 3. So you simply have to take the denominator as the numerator and take the 2 as the denominator. So 3 by 2 is going to become the reciprocal of 2 by 3. 2 will come downwards, 3 will go upwards. This is the reciprocal of a fraction. Alright. Next you see, two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. So suppose 5 by 8 is a fraction. The reciprocal of 5 by 8 will be 8 by 5, right? Interchanging, switching the numerator and the denominator. Now see, you can simply cut them. As in cancellation, you can do. See, 5 times 8 is what? 5 times 8 is 40. And here also we have 8 times 5, that is also 40. So you can divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number, which is 40. That is 40 times 1, 40 times 1. And 1 by 1 means what? 1 only, right? So our answer is 1 over here. That means whenever we are taking a fraction and we are also multiplying it with the reciprocal of the same fraction, we are getting the product as 1, right? This is why 5 by 8 will be the reciprocal of 8 by 5. So even if you have 8 by 5, reciprocal will be what? 5 by 8. Understood? This is an important property that you need to remember. Now, division of a whole number by a fraction. So what do we need to do over here? Whole number is 3 divided by 1 by 4. Okay. So you simply need to do, what happens during division is this division sign turns into multiplication. Very, very important. 3 into. While performing division only, the division sign is changing into multiplication and we are going to take the reciprocal of this fraction. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 4? Reciprocal of 1 by 4, right? Reciprocal of 1 by 4 will be 4 by 1. Okay, 4 is going upwards and 1 is coming downwards. That means what? 3 4s are 12, 12 by 1. 12 by 1 means 12 only. So answer is 12. Okay, very, very important. So what is happening? This division sign is changing into multiplication and we are taking the reciprocal of this fraction. That means reciprocal of the fraction 1 by 4. That is nothing but 4 by 1. So 3 into 4 by 1 is nothing but 12 by 1 and 12 by 1 means what? 12 only. So whenever you have 1 in the denominator, that means it is the whole number, right? Let's solve this problem. So 7 divided by 2 by 5. So 7 division will turn into multiplication and then the reciprocal of 2 by 5. What is the reciprocal? 5 by 2, right? 5 will go upwards, 2 will go downwards. So it is becoming 35 by 2. That is the answer. 35 by 2. Next one, 28 divided by, so this will turn into multiplication sign and you have to take the reciprocal of 7 by 4. So 4 will go upwards, 7 will go downwards. So now 7 by 4 reciprocal will be 4 by 7, right? And now you can do cancellation over here. 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 4 is 28 and 4 times 4 is 16. So we are getting the answer as 16. Understood? Okay. Next one, division of a whole number by a mixed fraction. So whenever you have a mixed fraction, first convert it into the improper fraction and then solve it. Very, very easy. So here the mixed fraction given to us is 6 whole 2 by 3. That means what? 6 into 3 plus 2 by 3. That is 18 plus 2 by 3. That means 20 by 3 is the fraction. 20 by 3 is the fraction. So we are taking this 36. It is going to remain as it is. Division sign will become multiplication, and this fraction reciprocal you have to take, that is 3 by 20, right? That's what you are going to do. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, so 36 into 3 by 20. Okay, now look at the calculation. So how they are doing it? So 4 times, right? 4 times 5 is going to give you 20, and 4 times 9 is going to give you 36. Okay, so you will get it as 9 into 3 by 5. That means nothing but 9 3s is 27, 27 by 5, and that will be the answer. Okay, now let's try to solve this. 32 divided by 1 whole 3 by 5. Firstly, 1 whole 3 by 5 means what? 5 plus 3, 8 by 5, right? That means 32 divided by 8 by 5. That's what we have. So 32 into 5 by 8. The division is changing into multiplication. We are taking the reciprocal of the fraction, and 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So answer is coming as 20. Answer will be 20. Very, very easy. With practice, it will become really smooth. First, change it into improper fraction. 5 whole 3 by 5 means what? 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. So 28 by 5, that's what we are getting. So we will get 28 by 5 divided by 7. That means 28 by 5, this will turn into multiplication sign. And what will be the reciprocal of 7? 7 means what? 7 by 1. Reciprocal of 7 will be 1 by 7. Okay, so simply write over here 1 by 7. And 7 times 4 is 28. So we are getting the answer as 4 by 5. This is the answer of the division. I hope that this is clear to you. Now we will learn how to divide a fraction by a mixed fraction. Okay, so we have two mixed fractions over here. 5 whole 3 by 5 divided by 2 whole 1 by 10. Convert all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 5 whole 3 by 5 will become 5 into 5, 25 plus 3, 28 by 5. And 2 whole 1 by 10 will become 20 plus 1, 21 by 10. Right? Now what will happen? See, we have 28 by 5 divided by 21 by 10. That means what? That means here also same thing. So keep 28 by 5 as it is. Change the division sign into multiplication and take the reciprocal of this fraction. So reciprocal of 21 by 10 will become 10 by 21. Like this, right? And then 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. And here also 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. So we are getting the answer as 4 times 2 is 8. 8 by 3. This is how we can solve it. So the procedure, the process is remaining the same only, right? Nothing is really changing. Let's come to this word problem. The cost of 5 whole, first convert 5 whole 1 by 4 into improper fractions. So it will become 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. That means it is given that that is the cost of 21 by 4 kg cost. The cost is rupees 231, and they want to find out the cost of 1 kg. Cost of 1 kg will be what? 231 divided by, okay, divided by 21 by 4, right? That is 231 divided by 21 by 4. So 231 will be as it is. Division sign will change into multiplication. Reciprocal of 21 by 4 will be 4 by 21. Now you can cancel it. So 21, see, 231 divided by 21, you can do it. 1s are 21, 1, 1, 11, right? So 21 times 1 is 21 and 11 times is 231. So you are getting the answer as 44. That means cost of each kg is rupees 44. Okay, that's how you are supposed to solve it. I hope you have understood multiplication and division. If you have any doubts, make sure to write your doubts in the comment section below so that I can help you. So we learned about multiplication of fraction with whole numbers, multiplication of fraction with fractions, reciprocal of a fraction, division of fractions by a whole number, and division of fractions by a fraction. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family so that we all can come together and learn together. Thank you so much. See you soon with another new topic. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.